Labrador, Labrador, wagging tail so wide. Golden Retriever, jumping with pride. Poodle so fluffy, curls in a row. Dachshund so long, running to and fro. Doggy friends, big and small, we love them all, we love them all. From the tallest Great Dane to the tiny Shih Tzu. So many breeds, which one's for you? Beagle with ears that flop on the ground. Husky with a howl, making such a sound. Bulldog smile, so strong and sweet. Chihuahua size, so tiny and neat. Doggy friends, big and small, we love them all, we love them all. From the fast greyhound to the fluffy Bichon. So many breeds, come sing along. Dalmatian spots, black and white. Boxers bounce, such a delight. Corgis short legs, standing tall. Pomeranians puff, fluffy balls. Doggy friends, big and small, we love them all, we love them all. From the playful boxer to the loyal collie. So many breeds, all happy and jolly. Each dog's unique, with a wag or a bark. They fill our days with joy and spark. Running in parks or snoozing inside, they bring so much love, it's hard to hide. German Shepherd, strong and smart. Boston Terrier with a brave heart. Yorkie so small, but with big cheer. Cheer, Mastiff size, so grand and clear. Doggy friends, big and small, we love them all, we love them all. From the fast whippet to the curious pug. So many breeds, come give them a hug. Schnauzer's beard and Bassett's nose. Shiba Inu with a tail that shows. Saint Bernard, big and proud. Jack Russell's bounce, jumping loud. Doggy friends, big and small, we love them all, we love them all. From the Border Terrier to the Akita's might. So many breeds bring smiles so bright. Whether big or small, short or tall, we love each pup, and that's not all. Dogs are our friends, loyal and true. This song's for the dogs, just for you. Just for you.